Next we are doing one. Okay, this the from the dory.
Hi there.
Hi Dory.
You want to play hide and seek? We'll hide. You count and come find us. No, not Daddy. I'm the nice fish.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, what are those noises?
It's a dory. Dory. I show that Dory's mother's or father's drawing. Yeah, just 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. We are take one Dory pictures. Okay, first make this shape is oval. Okay. This shape like this. Okay. See, this is shape this oval, no? So we are making first shape is the oval. So, hi, Tani. Show you.
We can draw. Sir, can I draw my own drawing, sir?
Yes, beta, you can.
Sir, is this a scenery?
Yeah, I make its scenery, but I do color also this fish.
This is a big fish.
Yeah, this
Sir,
is
I also want drawing.
yeah. No, just start draw this one. Okay, first make the oval, one oval like this. Okay, aram se make oval. Take your time and make it one oval. Okay, nice oval. Nice oval you draw. Then oval. आराम से करो बेटा. Next steps you make like this from the down and from the top do like this, 1 2 like this. Aram se take time, do like this. Okay, this is the nose, this is the mouth. Now we make here one circle like this. Okay, I put one circle.
Sir, it is Dory's parent.
Yes, this is Dory's parents. Done, beta? Okay, the next step is that we create one, see, 1 and 2 like this, and here is the eyeball. So 1, 2 and eyeball like this. Okay, 1, 2 and this eyeball. Understand? Arshi beta, understood beta? Show your. Very good, Arshi. Very good. Fine, fine. Niranjan, you understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Now just do the next steps. We make it one. This is eyebrow. One
Yes, I.
and two. One
I know.
and two. Okay.
I
One and two.
done. No.
Same line हो जाएगी.
Sir, can you tell the next step? Sir,
Yes. Yes.
I didn't. Sir,
Beta.
I didn't see a fish at the. I didn't see fish at that.
Okay. Dhani, show Dhani, beta. Dhani, once can you show, beta? Oh, you make some house.
Yes.
Very good, Dhani. Dhani, can you try the fish, beta? Very nice your drawing. I like it.
Yes, yes, sir.
Please, very nice, beta. So now I do one. This is the one, two, one, two, one, two, like this. One, two, yeah, make it like this.
Light करना.
आराम से करो बेटा.
Sir, is this Dodi's parents?
Yeah.
Sir, I have a hammer.
Okay, next step is just do like this. One and two. Just making one and two like this. Okay, one and two. Okay, आराम से. And make it here. Make it here like this. Okay, the back sides like this. Done. Now the next steps is that one, two, just one, two, and down one, two. Make it like this.
हाजी बगल से सर खाएगा.
Sir, this is Niranjan. Can I show you my drawing?
Please, beta.
Sir, can we color our own?
I show color, beta. Let's check.
Okay, sir.
You can also doing your own, but I show color. Okay. Very good, Niranjan. Show me, beta.
Yes, sir.
Little up, Niranjan. Little up. Wow, very nice. Niranjan, this line, no, the down line should be look like this. See, like this. Goes like this. Okay,
Okay,
just change this line, beta. Just like smooth line, no?
color बने color. So can I show you my drawing?
Please. Done.
So this is my running drawing. Is it picked up?
Yes.
Now.
Very good.
Very
good now. So now the next step, the last step, we are putting 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We are making like this. This is a tail. Okay, the front tail. Okay, we make a 2 tail and 1 tail here. 1, 2, 3. We are making the 2 tail. Okay. Yes.
Now we do our own drawing.
We are doing the color. We are doing color this, and then we can go ahead to the own drawing. Okay.